Greeting all the viewers and our customers. Today is yet another day to introduce you another truck. This is Nissan Diesel. It's a low-bed truck. Very good, and it is original from Japan. I have some features that I'm going to give my colleagues Majid to take us through. This is Majid. He is our engineer in the garage. So in case of any question, you can also pass through him.
Okay.
Then let him first say something, then we go through the operating part of this.
Okay, thanks. Greetings to our viewers. This is Majid, the chief engineer in the garage. This is Nissan Diesel. It's a low bed. You can see it is designed in a way that it can carry up to like 6 tonnage. Any vehicle that is 6 ton, this Nissan Diesel is able to carry it. It is a low bed. Whenever you get stuck, maybe your vehicle gets stuck somewhere, this is the solution for that. It goes, gets it. And for you to get that, you come to Yoshino-Trading Limited. You get it. For your best service, customer care service, whether being it what, we are always there at your doorstep. We shall help you in whatever you want to know about it.
Without wasting time, let him take us through the operating part of this low bed.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to take you through the operation part. And to operate this, you need to first put the engine on. When you are starting it, this is a manual car, it's not automatic. You need to first check whether there's gear or no. Then, for safety, you step on the clutch. In case if there's gear, when you step on the clutch, when you start, there's no problem. So I've stepped on the clutch. I'm going to start. I've started it. Then after starting, since our major aim is to operate this low bed, this is the PTO. This is for the PTO. When you have started the vehicle, you press the clutch down, then you pull this. There I have pulled it, meaning the PTO has gone. Now I'm free to leave the clutch. Then after leaving the clutch, we come back. Come down here. This is the acceleration knob, meaning it helps us when we are not stepping on the acceleration from the cabin. You just pull this knob like this. Then it increases the speed of the engine. Then this knob, it helps you to put down those stands of the low bed. It also helps you to put them up. Then this knob is for the wings. It helps you to roll the wings when you want to maybe pull the vehicle from a far distance. These wings can go up to 10 meters, depending on the distance of the vehicle from where you park this. So this one pulls it out or brings it back, rolls it back.
Yeah, can you allow us to ask you some questions?
It's okay.
Some customers might ask you, what is this?
Okay, this one, it is a vacuum cylinder. It helps in the braking system. Since this one is a vacuum, it's not a pressure vehicle, it is vacuum. So this is a vacuum cylinder. It helps in the braking system.
Okay, you're right. And one question.
Yes.
I can see some pipes there, and the other tank is forward.
Okay, these pipes, these ones are for the hydraulic oil, and this one is the hydraulic tank, which helps us in operation of this low bed, the stands and the wings. We all know that these stands, they work with the principles of hydraulic. So this is hydraulic tank, and this one is hydraulic pipes that take the hydraulic to the control valve.
So now we know all this. Can you take us through how it works, how it will do the things that we are supposed to? Can you take us through?
Okay, like for example, your vehicle is parked behind. Now I bring this. What I do after putting the PTO on, I pull this one. I pull it. This one helps to unlock the locking system of the stand. After pulling it down, then it is free. Then you pull this, you pull it inside. Then the stands, they will start to come out. They will start to come out. Now this is how the stands come. They take you. This is how it operates. The stands. Yeah, that is the height. So that is the height of this thing. Now when you want to pull your vehicle, there are these ramps. You can put like this one, you put it here, put it here. Then this one, you also put it here. Then the distance here, you adjust it according to the size of your vehicle. If it is a saloon car, you also adjust it. You can narrow it, maybe widen it. So there you are free to come with the vehicle.
Now let me ask you, what if my car is not moving and you cannot push it here? Is there any mechanism?
If your vehicle is not moving, we have winch. Like I said before, this winch, I can pull it out. Let me suffer.
This one.
This is the winch. You can pull it. You can pull it up to where your vehicle is. Like I told you before, this one can go up to 10 meters. Meaning from here, it can go up to 10 meters to pull your vehicle. Then it pulls it, ensuring that the vehicle reaches the bed.
Can you show us the winch which is down there so that our customers can also see how it's moving?
I know it may not be visible, but this is the motor. This motor is the one that operates in a way that the winch can come out. Again, it also rolls it back. This is the system for it. It is designed downwards for safety. Because this one you may put it up, again vehicle comes, it may also do what? It may cause damages. That's why it is put under the vehicle for safety reasons.
So I think you can take back.
Then again, like I said, that one, I'm rolling the winch back. Then meanwhile, I can also pull back the stands and put them in. That is after when your vehicle has reached the what? Has reached the bed up.
So that is good, that's good. I really appreciate you for letting our customers know how things are being done. But our customers, I really thank you for watching this. Continue, we can bring more and more trucks to you. You will see that there we have varieties of trucks. We have varieties of trucks. We have varieties of all kind of cars, including saloon cars and trucks. Now, as I always say, wherever you are, if you are in East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Congo, Sudan, Eritrea, you can order your truck through Yoshino. I look forward to see you right here at Yoshino. May God bless you. May Allah bless you. See you. Bye-bye.
Till we meet again.